Working for Malaysia Airlines? It's a bit different. I'm not just cooking food, I'm representing home. I cook this dish because it's deeply Malaysian. It's the kind of food we grew up with. You smell it even before you see it. This dish means a lot to me because it's tied to everyday life back home. Family meals, shared tables, moments when no one is in a rush. Malaysia is made up of so many cultures and flavors, and this dish carries that history. It's layered, balanced, and built slowly, just like our food culture. So I want our passengers to experience something real. Not a simplified version, not something watered down. When our passengers taste this, I don't want it to feel like airline food. I want it to feel familiar. I want it to feel like home.